Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Check in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin holding, going back up into the rotation zone, not quite making it just to 25% level, returning to the bigger picture, 87.5% level, and then rotating back down, spiking through our 64.86 level, but closing just above it. This next level, this bar is so far holding that level. I'm just going to update these now down to here to give us the next big and the whole retracement. Also notice we are approaching the lows, the critical lows back from April. So that is something to watch for to see if this area holds or not. This is pretty major area to watch for. Let's see what we're now looking for in the next key levels below. So 6302, 6268 to 6302 is the next major area, and then below that 6100. On a rally, first level of resistance coming in about 6603 to 6633. We'll have the declining 8 coming in there. A stronger rally would have us see up to where it has peaked before, and the decline 21 right about this 6870. We are getting a divergence, so lower low in price, higher low in the RSI. We'll have to see if this can lead to a bigger rally because some of the momentum is waning, but it would be a very aggressive entry to enter at this point and try to bottom pick. So if that's the kind of trader you are, just pointing out that we have a divergence. Other than that, there's no bottoming pattern yet. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So we are overextended from the rotation zone. That does not mean we can go lower. Now on a more significant rally back to the 8, that would take us to this prior little breakdown zone, so that we had support and then broke through it. So this support is now resistance, which is about 7100 with the declining 8. So a stronger rally, that's what we'd be watching for, or any aggressive entry that gets above the 6870, you can start watching for a rally into this area, and I would recommend at least raising your stop or taking partial profits at that area. Switching over to Ethereum, we have their next levels at 509, then 496. You see spiking down to, what was the low here? 496.27. We had 496.51, recovering, then retesting this level multiple times, rotating back in the rotation zone, spiking up into it, and now rotating back down strongly. We are going to update these levels. This isn't official because this bar, we don't have a good recovery bar yet, but it's going to have to do for the purposes of this video. Let's see what this gives us. We have a few too many levels. I'm going to take off the reverse scan box levels at this point, and we're just going to focus on the forward levels since we are making some new lows. So this gives us 465, and then we have a cluster area 446 to 449 should we sell off there. Now on a rally, we'd have support coming in all along here. Let me zoom in a bit more so everybody can see it. You know, see is right around this 512 area, dip buyers, dip buyers, dip buyers. So all those, anybody who bought in here is now wrong. So on a rally, we have the declining 8. I'd say first area 512 to 513 on any rally, or if you're trying to bottom pick, that's where you want to move up your top or take some profits. The top end, this prior resistance will still be resistance coming with the 21. So on a stronger rally, we're looking at 532 based off the 4-hour chart. Now we also have divergences on this one, so we are losing a bit of momentum here, but this is a very aggressive entry area again. Taking a look at the daily, let's see. So Ethereum's holding up a lot better than Bitcoin, still well off the April lows, holding the 75% GAN level. On a nice rally on here, I'd be watching for a return to this key area in here based off the daily, about 550 declining 8, and we had some dip buyers coming in there, so that's the key level of resistance on the daily. And again, 446 to 449, and if we really sell off 406 is the next key level down. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.